Good morning student, welcome back to Math Code class 11th. Today the new topic probability, second 16.2 events. So this event, you are already clear. Event, any subject of the sample space is called a event. Type of the event, impossible event and sure event. Sure event means whole events is a sure event. Impossible, that is a 5. 5 means no element, impossible element, right? So this is 5 is impossible and sure is whole sample space event is called a sure event. Algebraic probability component complement of A. We already about to chapter 1 the complement of set A. This is a not of A in a universal set is called a complement set. The complement denoted by this type. The event of A or B, this is an important point. This topic already explained in the exercise 1.5 1.6, okay, in set. Or means union, and means intersection, right? And means intersection. We are given the A and B, to mean A intersection B, and A or U means or means union, and means intersection. A but not B, not means minus. This, right? Exclusive, this is an important topic for 12th class and 11th class also, okay? This is an important topic. So exclusive event is A intersection B equal to 5. 5 means null set, that is a disjoint set. You can say you have exclusive event have disjoint set. So A union B equal to n of A plus n of B. This is a probability, right? A of n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B. But A intersection B equal to 5, that is 0 element. Clear? So no element. This is a exclusive events. And exhaustive event, n of A union B union C. So this is equal to n of A plus n of B and n of C. Okay. And minus n of A intersection B minus n intersection B intersection C, C intersection A, and plus n of A intersection B intersection C. This is a formula. Okay. So this will be equal to, now let exercise 16.2. Any doubt related to formula? Only find the sample space and the events of the according to this is a only exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 type. No any other. Main probability only find event. No probability, right? So only event dependent in sample space. How many events in a sample? Sample is a union. Union is a number outcome event. So now that question number 1. A die is rolled. Is E is the event and the die show 4, and F is the event. Die show the even numbers. Means E is events means be equal to 4 numbers. Means die. Die throw 1, 2, 3, so on 6. Die have 6 numbers 1 to 6, and E event have 4, and F event have even numbers on the die, that is 2, 4 and 6. So E and F is exclusive condition, exclusive A intersection 5 equal A intersection B equal to 5. So then find E intersection F, this V equal to 4. 4 is common, 4, not 5. That is E intersection F is not equal to 5. So therefore no exclusive events. Okay, F and E and F are not a exclusive event. If any cat equal to 5, this is a exclusive, right? This is a exhaustive, right? Next. Next question number 3. 3. It's the same type question or no important points. An experiment involves the rolling of pair of the die. You know pair of the die 1 1 1,6 2 1 2,6 and this 6,1 6,6. Okay, this. So first condition die is there, describe of the following. A, set A yani event A, the sum is greater than 8. Sum A equal to sum is greater than, means sum of the numbers is greater than 8. Greater than 8 means this equal to 1, greater than 1 to 2 4 2 6 8, only greater than, not greater than, equal, only greater than 8. So this line is cancelled. So 3 comma 4 3 comma 4 7 3 comma 5 3 comma 5 8, no. So 3 comma 6 is first and 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 6 5 comma 1 2 3 4 and 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6 and 6 comma 3 6 comma 4 so on 6 comma 6 are greater than 8, right? This is the sample space. And B and 10th piece questions, no space here. 2 occurs in either die. 2 occurs on either die. So 2, this is the numbers. Okay. So 2 dies, 2 numbers on a others die. So 1 2, जैसे 1 2 2 2 1. Okay. So 2 die and 1 and 2 means first die and second die have 2 numbers only. So this is 1 2. Okay, and 2 1 2 2 so on 2 6. Okay, and 3 2 and next 4 2 5 2 and 6 2. These are a B set. And C, the sum is at least 7. C, sum is at least 7. Sum at least कम से कम 7. Okay, and a multiple of 3. For multiple of 3, तो sum of this number, sum 7 होना चाहिए and multiple होना चाहिए 3 का. तो multiple of 3 find करने के लिए आपको देखना पड़ा है पूरा check of these numbers. So this C, multiple of 3. So C sum is at least 7, मतलब कम से कम 7 तो होना चाहिए. So divide by 3, तो divide 7 3, तो 3 comma 1 comma 2 2 comma 6 not divisible by 3 2 3 comma 6. Okay, 3 and 6 9 9 divide by 3. Okay, and 4 comma 5 5 divide by this and 5 comma 4 5 4 or 6 comma 3. This is also divisible by only 3. Divisible by 3. Okay, no any other. And 5 4 4 5 6 6 is also, this is 6 plus 6 12. Okay, 6 comma 6 is also right. And then find which pair of each of even a mutually exclusive. Sign mutually exclusive. The mutually exclusive A has the 3 6 4 5. 3 6 4 5 4 6 is are also given in sum of the greater than 8, right? And 3 6, right? 3 6. Well, 3 6 is given. AC is not a this 1 2 2 2 6 3 6 is not given. So A and B as mutually exclusive. Okay, A and B exclusive, and check B and C. So B and C have no element to each other. Okay, 5 4 4 2, no, 4 5 4 is not given. This is, and B and C also, B and C is also mutually exclusive. You can check. Mutually exclusive. Clear? So 3 6 3 6 is given, so not AC. So A, B and B, C are mutually exclusive, right? That's your answer. Next question number 6. 4 5 are same this type, any other. 6 question. Two dice are thrown, same question. Die is thrown that the event ABC are the following. A, and find A. A is getting even number on the first die. Same condition. Even number first die. Even number 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 6, and 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, and 6, 1, 2, 6, 6. Okay, and B, odd number. Getting odd number on the first die. Okay, so 1 1 2 1 6. Clear? Comma 2 छोड़ के फिर 3 1 2 3 6 and 5 1 2 5 6. These are number of a B, event B. And then C, getting the sum of the number on the die less than equal to 5. Less than equal to 5. So you can check less than or equal. So less than and equal 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma less than or equal 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, not 1 comma 5. Okay, 1 4 or 1 5, equal and less than by possible. There's a 2 1, 2 2 and 2 3. No, next. Okay, and same 3 1 and 3 2 and 4 1 only, 5 note. These are less than equal to 5. So first describe one. A complement even number, so other number also odd number, so this is also B. And next second part find not B, not B means B complement, or B complement without B. B have A or B use of the set, but B even odd number and E this one number even number. So B is also A. Go and check of this, right? And third, A or B. A or B means A union B. You can find A union B. The A union B, find whole number 1 1 2 1 6 2 1 2 2 6 in a whole number 3 1 2 3 6 and 4 1 2 4 6 and 5 1 2 5 6 6 1 2 6 6. These are union. And fourth, A and B. A and B means A intersection B. A and B intersection. This is also A and B and odd number, even number have not. This is a 5. This is a disjoint set, I think. This is also disjoint set. Okay, this is also set. You can find also other point, and fifth and sixth you can solve, and you can down ask to me. Only find the set. यदि आपने चैप्टर 1 अच्छी तरह से किया तो ये ऑलरेडी एक्सरसाइज उसी से रिलेटेड है, कोई अलग नहीं है। ओनली सेट ही फाइंड करना है, नंबर ऑफ इवेंट एज ए नंबर ऑफ इवेंट ऑफ द सेट। ओके, तो डिपेंड ऑन सेट, नो एनी अदर। फाइंड सेट और इवेंट्स, क्लियर। मेन प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी स्टार्ट ऑफ 16.3। थैंक यू।